Hi, my name is Nauman Jaffar. I'm here to present about SenSights.AI. I'm the CEO and founder for LocateMotion, which has developed SenSights. It's a well-being intelligence platform for helping reduce cognitive decline in older adults. We see a future where cognitive decline can be significantly delayed or reduced by understanding the biometric, behavioral, environmental, and demographic insights and creating a digital twin for that senior. Today, we see an opportunity to help seniors age in place and avoid falls and wandering episodes so that they can live the best years of their life at home on their own terms. Our strategic advantage and differentiation will always remain the industry-leading patient engagement, especially with those who have cognitive decline. Today, we have created SenSights, which is a future-proof well-being intelligence platform that gathers and reports crucial insights and predicts falls and wanderings so that corrective actions can be taken and reduce such incidents, especially for the caregivers, payers, patients, and the providers. The three key benefits for SenSights.AI. Number one is the ability to increase the capacity at our long-term facilities, at our home health care, nursing facilities, and also at-risk providers. Number two is the ability to reduce hospitalization and readmission rates. And lastly, the ability to improve significantly the quality of care at home for patients with cognitive decline. Our business model is a software as a service, and we are going to sell B2B to C directly to the providers. The way this platform works is that we collect all the data by actually integrating all the different sensors, wearables, and medical grade devices. We connect them with the EMRs. Number three, we actually care for those seniors by providing the smart alerts and also to the caregivers. And lastly, we curate all of that data to create industry-leading foresights in future that will help us control the cognitive decline. There are three key trends in the market. Number one is the hospital at home. Number two is the rise of telemedicine. And lastly, the governments and the states, the provinces acting and releasing bill codes that are related to remote monitoring and virtual care. The overall size of the market is about $6 billion for remote patient monitoring here in North America. Our short-term differentiation will remain the industry-leading team that we have created, which has helped us improve our laser focus, our ability and our agility, and lastly, our technology, our future-proof technology that we have created. But I'll reiterate, our strategic advantage will always remain the industry-leading patient engagement score, a patient engagement that we will create, especially for those living at home with cognitive decline. And then last, I would say the money that we are trying to raise through this MC2 grant is to do two strategic pilots, one with Paramit and the other one with St. Health Elizabeth, and who have both shown interest and given us letters of engagement. So I want to thank you in last for listening to this presentation. Thank you.